Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that is also known as marble dropper, and we will explain why it's called that in the middle of the video. The Indian nightjar. The Indian nightjar is a small nightjar. It is a resident breeder in open lands across South Asia and Southeast Asia. Cryptically-colored nightbird. Note white moustache streak, golden brown collar and pointed buff and black feathers above the wing. Found in a range of wooded habitats from hilly dry forests to garden edges. They are sometimes spotted on roads when their eyes gleam red in the spotlight of a vehicle. Like most nightjars, it is crepuscular and is best detected from its characteristic calls at dawn and dusk that have been linked to a stone skipping on a frozen lake, a series of clicks that becomes shorter and more rapid. This is the reason why they are called marble dropper. Their calls are like locally named Indu Bimbassa. Unfortunately, I have not seen the Indian nightjar, but one such place you can see them is around the lake of Kandalama in Dambulla. In fact, the hotels around the lake Kandalama are some of the best places to spot birds in Sri Lanka. If you ever visit this area, don't forget to arrange a bird watching tour.